Welcome back to QuizTerrain. Time for another exciting math challenge. Stay sharp. 40 questions. No cheating, no pausing. Hit the like button. Let's begin. What is 9 plus 6? A. 13. B. 14. C. 15. D. 16. That's right, 15. Excellent start. What is 3 squared? A. 9. B. 8. C. 6. D. 12. Nine. Great job. What is minus 3 plus 2 plus 4? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Three. Well done. What is 25 minus 8? A. 15. B. 17. C. 18. D. 16. "17. Brilliant work. How many sides does an octagon have? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Eight sides. Well done. What is 7 times 3? A. 18. B. 20. C. 24. D. 21. $21. Perfect. A pen costs $4. How much for 5 pens? A. 18. B. 20. C. 22. D. 24. $20. Great thinking. Which is prime? A. 22. B. 24. C. 30. D. 29. $29. Excellent thinking. What is 45 divided by 5? A. 7. B. 8. C. 9. D. 10. That's 9. Great job. If x plus 9 equals 20, what is x? A. 10. B. 11. C. 12. D. 9. X equals 11. Fantastic thinking. What is the square root of 49? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. Seven. Excellent. What is minus 6 plus 10? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. Four. Great job! What is a right angle? A. 45. B. 90. C. 60. D. 180. $90 degrees. Great work! Angle in a triangle adds up to A. 90. B. 180. C. 270. D. 360. $180 degrees. Amazing. What comes next? 4, 8, 12. A. 14. B. 15. C. 16. D. 18. $16. Excellent. What is 14 minus 20? A. Minus 4. B. Minus 5. C. Minus 6. D. Minus 7. Minus 6. Perfect. Which is a prime number? A. 18. B. 19. C. 20. D. 21. $19. Brilliant. What is 14 plus 19? A. 31. B. 32. C. 33. D. 34. $33. Nicely done. If angle A is 50 degrees and angle B is 60 degrees, find angle C. A. 60 degrees. B. 65 degrees. C. 70 degrees. D. 75 degrees. C equals 180 degrees minus 50 degrees minus 60 degrees equals 70 degrees. Great work! If 6x equals 24, what is x? A. 4. B. 3. C. 2. D. 5. X equals 4. Fantastic! What is minus 3 plus 8? A. 4. B. 5. C. 6. D. 7. Five. Excellent work. A boy is 4 years older than his sister. If the boy is 12 years old, how old is the sister? A. 8. B. 7. C. 6. D. 9. Eight years old. Brilliant. What is the square root of 100? A. 8. B. 9. C. 10. D. 11. Ten. Brilliant! What's the next number? 7, 14, 21. A. 28. B. 27. C. 24. D. 35. $28. Nice work. What is minus 10 plus 15? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 6. Five. Fantastic. What is 17 plus 9? A. 26. B. 25. C. 24. D. 27. $26. Well done. What is 50 minus 23? A. 25. B. 27. C. 28. D. 29. $27. Brilliant. What is 8 times 6? A. 42. B. 46. C. 48. D. 50. $48. Perfect. What is 72 divided by 8? A. 9. B. 8. C. 7. D. 10. That's 9. Excellent. If x minus 7 equals 5, find x. A. 10. B. 11. C. 13. D. 12. X equals 12. Great thinking. What is minus 8 plus 3? A. Minus 6. B. Minus 5. C. Minus 4. D. Minus 3. Minus 5. Nice work. What is minus 2 plus 4 plus 3? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. D. 6. Five. Well done. What is the square root of 36? A. 6. B. 5. C. 4. D. 7. Six. Excellent. What is 5 squared? A. 10. B. 15. C. 20. D. 25. $25. Fantastic. Next number. 9, 18, 27. A. 30. B. 35. C. 45. D. 36. $36. Great work. What is 100 minus 125? A. Minus 20. B. Minus 25. C. Minus 30. D. Minus 35. Minus 25. Brilliant. Which is prime? A. 31. B. 33. C. 32. D. 35. $31. Excellent job. A boy is 15 years old. In 5 years, how old will he be? A. 18. B. 19. C. 21. D. 20. $20. Well done. A shirt costs $90. The discount is $30. What's the new price? A. 50. B. 55. C. 65. D. 60. $60. Fantastic thinking. A rectangle has length 8 centimeters and width 2 centimeters. What is its perimeter? A. 16 centimeters. B. 18 centimeters. C. 20 centimeters. D. 22 centimeters. $20 centimeters. Fantastic! You crushed the quiz! Pick your next topic, and don't forget to share your score with us. Thanks for playing along. See you in the next quiz!